Istanbul, a city of history, power, and constant movement. In a city lived by millions, life never stops. Beneath the roads, within the unseen infrastructure, a flawless system keeps operating. And behind that system stands the engineering strength of Sekizli Crane, located beside Beşiktaş Tüpraş Stadium. This system was designed to support Istanbul's rainwater infrastructure operations. Strong lifting capability, continuous operational performance, engineering built for the rhythm of the city. This is more than a crane. This is a system built to move with the city itself. Sekizli Crane, the power that defies gravity.